It's time to do the conversion from the Pilot G2 to our Baron pen kit. So to do that, we take out our our Pilot G2 ink refill. Get rid of that. And we take out our Baron ink refill. Get rid of that. And now we take this, we set it aside, because the only part that we are going to need is this one right there. That little part is what determines the depth at which the ink will sit inside the pen. And how it does so, if we scavenge our refill off the floor, is it slides in, and then it's got this little piece right here that sets the depth, and it's got a little stop inside that threads out. See, it's threading out right there. Sometimes you feel like Blue's Clues in here. I ask questions and I just suspect you answer. So this part goes into there, and then it stops on this shoulder right there. It hits that, and that's where it stops. So by filing down this back side, that'll make it fit. Because right now, it looks okay, but it doesn't quite look right. See if I can't get that. There we go. See, it looks okay, but doesn't quite look right. So it's just a little bit we have to file down in order to get that fitting proper. See, because here, that's what it looks like it's proper. So we'll get it looking good. Okay, so to do this, we just simply need a piece of 150 grit sandpaper. And all that you do is you just place that on there, and then just start doing circles, holding the little tip upright. Let me see if I can't get a better angle here for you. So then you're holding your tip. That sounds personal. And you're just doing little circles, just like this. And you're just filing down little pieces at a time. And continuously checking. Clean that off. And then you are checking your ink to see how it looks. Looking a little better, but not quite there yet. So keep going. Test that again. Oh, still a little further to go. So we're just about to our shoulder showing through. And once we get the shoulder showing through, then it'll just be a little bit further, and then we'll be good. Oh, shoulders just bumped out of the opening there. So that's looking good. We'll go just a little bit further. Just get it out just a little bit past, and then that'll look great. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I want to go just a little bit further, and then I'm going to call it. And then we'll repolish up the inside here, because doing this leaves that a little bit rough, and I don't like rough metal. So we'll polish that up just a little bit. Let's go back up to a 600 grit. Back up to looking nice again. Alright, let's check. Yeah, it's sticking out a little bit there. That looks fantastic right there. So now we will go through to a smaller grit. We'll go to 240 and work our way through 240. .320. .400. And 600. See, now that looks much better. Double check, see how our ink looks now. That looks great. Put our assembly back together. Whoops. Trying to put it in backwards. That doesn't work. There we go. Tighten that down. Our ink goes in nicely. And there we go. Looks very nice. Let's test out our ink here. Looks good.